Great day for Tesla, TSLA. Only up 1%, but it's a great day for day trading. As I'm putting in these moves now, going over some action here. Started pre-market, you have this move down all the way to this candle here. 404.35 comes up 406, and here is the big change of direction. Right here, I'll put an arrow right there. That is a hammer candle. Now, a lot of people might be new to trading. They don't even know what a hammer candle is. Hammer is hammering out the bottom. See, it went down, looks like a hammer, and then it goes right back up. 406, you get this 410 little pit stop, 416, little pullback, you break out again. You go to 418. Now, this is not the best move. It's a very short move here. Pull back again. This 416 line, you go up to 419.50. Pull back again right here. Look at this candle touches right at 416, and then you go up to this move right here, which is 419.69. Little break here. These are all little flag patterns or wedges. Then you go all the way up to this candle, which is 424.54, and then this is the break of trend right here. Right up here, you get straight up, and look what happens. This comes down. Okay, that's fine. 2 candles. Now, if you're in here, I always like to get out most of the time on 2 candles. Now, it depends. It could be a big cross up here. Every day is different exactly what I'm looking for, but most of the time it'll be 2 candles. One, if it's a meaningful candle up top or bottom. So you come down here. This didn't go back up. See this? And then you're starting to go sideways. Look at this right here. Then you have a breakdown. Each high is getting lower. 423. This fades deep. 416. So there's a lot of moves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That little move. 10. Let's say 11 moves. Now, of course, they're all not the best. Like this little move here, that's a 3 candle. You're not really going to play that coming out of this. You could play it here, 419, and then you'd be stopped out. But the biggest key too is not playing every move. Try to get 1, 2, maybe 3 moves. Excuse me. And look where you're at. See, very low here is a better chance. Very high here in the short is a better chance. When this went deep right here on stochastics, this was a good move. When these moves are up top here, you've run a long way on this 5 minute, and then it's faded down. So it's not about jumping in every move. Yeah, the move right here, 418, that was a little move. First green, you're talking 416. You don't need a lot, $1, $2. This is just pointing out all the moves there. Daily chart, 3-day run, you're near this trend line. You're still coming up now. You had this high, lower, lower. They're all getting lower. Now you're breaking out finally. You can see right here, and you're starting to come up on TSLA, Tesla. Let me look at the 10 minute. I've been just looking at the 5 minute for so long. 10 minute will slow it down even more. Yeah, look at that cross right here. Come up. It slows down the moves. Now, you can see the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute. People say they play the 1 minute online. I have no idea. These candles are absolutely insane. There's too many candles. 2 minute, scalps. 3 minute. I've gotten away from the 3 minute, although that can be good too. I'm trying to put in slower, bigger moves now. 5 minute. You see the 10 minute here is very well. I like the 5 and 10. I used to do the 3 more. People do the 2. I don't know how the 1. The 1's absolutely insane. I don't know. But 2 minute, 3 minute, more of a scalping. 3 minutes that transition. I like the 5 and 10 now because I want longer moves. Not just like 10 minutes. I'm looking for an hour. Get that bigger move in there. See that? Once you have this all green pretty much in red, you go down. You'd like to see that. It makes it easier. On the charts, you don't want to be stopped out too much. That's what's hard about scalping. But here's Tesla, and we'll see if we keep running here.